I believe in love at first sight, but I will always believe that the people we love, we have loved before, many, many, many times before. And when we stumble through grace and circumstance and that brilliant illusion of choice to finally meet them again, we feel it faster each time through. The one glance that set life alight is two sets of two eyes, staring through the layers of lifetimes and stolen glances and first kisses and hands held. The brace against the weight and unrelenting tide of waiting. I believe in love at first sight, but I'm not burdened with the misconception that it's a first sight at all.